Here's the question that I'm always grappling with Bitcoin, which is that right now the people who are in Bitcoin are speculating it's going to go up and go up significantly, 1x, 2x, 3x, 10x. Right? This is a true speculation right now for people who are looking for real, outsized yield, if you will. But if you think of it as a store of if you think of it as a commodity like gold, at some point there has to be a moment where actually it's not a 1 or 2x or 10x kind of yield. It's going to be a very low yield at all. You're just going to hold on to it. That's a totally different type of investor. And so the question is, do people who are in Bitcoin at some point say, you know what, actually the upside isn't there anymore. I'm going to take my money out and go look for the next one, and what that does to the price?
Okay, so that is a phenomenal intellectual discussion. I'll be brief. You're in that transitory period. This is sort of like where Amazon was in 2000. People couldn't believe its price movement. Then we looked at it again in 2009. It was a very big move over 12 years. Bitcoin is 12 years old. Yet if you bought Amazon after the 12th year, Andrew, you got a 64x return on your money from 2009 to 2021. And let me just step back for a second. If you bought Amazon on the public offering May 15th, 1997, the $10,000 that you put into it is worth $21,140,000 today. But Amazon now, 20 years later, is trading with more stability. I mean, it got a very big pop because of the pandemic, but just take a look at its long-term chart. And I think that will happen to Bitcoin once it fully scales and you reach adoption levels over $1 billion. You're going to be looking at that situation and saying, okay, it's way less speculative. One last point. Bitcoin got to $1 trillion faster than all of those companies, primarily because it's decentralized. And so now you're taking all of that C-suite drama and all the politics associated with it away from it. It is a fully scaling monetary network and store of value, and it's going to get there over the next 15 years.